Check out this 2014 Kia Forte-X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver illuminated vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, daytime running lights, power door locks, power folding mirrors, power windows, and trip computer. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.